My name is Chris Ross. I work for Berry BPI and my position is Plaswood Fabrication Manager. Berry Dumfries has been open since 1995 and we're part of the larger Berry global family, which is many sites across the world. But yeah, we're in southern Scotland. So on this site we make 2 or 3 different items. We make plastic nurdles, pellets that get used to make new flat bags. We also make plaswood lumber, which is a recycled plastic variant of a wood product, of a timber product. That gets sold to customers direct as either full length lumber or heads to my department to be cut and manufactured into outdoor furniture. We make a lot of our own raw material in-house. We don't have to rely on the open market, so we can keep our costs down and then pass that lower cost on to customers. So yeah, we were using just Makita crosscut saws, 305mm blades. We had 4 of those in operation, but as we started to scale up our business 2 or 3 years ago, it was pretty clear that those manual saws they wouldn't be able to cope with the output that we're required to produce every month. So automation, or more automatic, Salvador was what we had to look at. So we will use our plastic lumber that we make in-house and we will cut, shape and profile that to specific items of outdoor furniture, always to customer specification and requests. So it could be anything from a rectangular table to a round table. So yeah, we need the SuperAngle to produce those lengths and profiles. It copes absolutely fine. I wish we'd known that Salvador was on the market 2 or 3 years ago. One of my guys used to work in a sawmill, which they use the Salvador brand in the sawmill. So, you know, if it's good enough for processing that much throughput and output, then it's definitely something that we needed. Our packs of plaswood are made in production. From there, we'll take them onto the trestles at the saw. So we'll select the program now that most of our furniture items have been inputted into the Salvador. So the operators will just pick the program they need. They'll load up the profile that they need. They'll input and edit their quantities as is required and produce those on at the exit end off the conveyor onto a pallet, which will then go on for further machining and onto onward assembly. Key benefits would definitely be throughput. We can definitely get enough through that saw to keep our further CNC operations busy and the guys in assembly. So yeah, our output targets every month can be met with having that saw in operation. From the point where I got in touch with Andy for a sale, you know, kept me in the loop, always updated on whether there was any delays or anything if everything was on track. Installation came and went with no hassles, and the customer service and technical support's been excellent. So yeah, very happy with what we've purchased.